Let's solve some STAAR grade 8 math questions, and in this video we want to order numbers. So how do we order these numbers? The questions here says which inequality is true. So let's first find what is 10 over 3. 10 divided by 3 will be 3. 10 divided by 3 will be 3.33333. So this will be 3.333, and the second one is root 10. What is root 10? Root 10 is 3.16, and this inequality says 3.33 is less than 3.16. Is this true? No. Now let's take a look at this one. What is 1 over 8? 1 over 8 is 0.125, and 1 divided by 3 is 0.333. So this one says this is less than. Mind you, this is negative. Negative 0.125 and negative 0.333. Which one is lesser? Do you think negative 0.125 is less than negative 0.233? 333. Let's try it on a number line. Let's say this is a number line and we have 0 here, we have 0.1 here, we have negative 0.1, negative 0.2, negative 0.3, negative 0.4. So negative 0.12 will be somewhere here. This will be negative 0.12. That will be here. And negative 0.33 will be somewhere here. Negative 0.333 will be somewhere here. So which one is lesser? This one is lesser than this. So that means this is wrong. Assuming there is no negative sign there, then that would have been right. So that is a trap that you must not fall for. So once you see negative, the bigger number becomes the smaller number. Now, 150% is greater than 2. What is 150%? That's 150 over 100. And that will be 1.5. This one says 1.5 is greater than 2. This is wrong. So now let's look at this one. Let's use a number line for this also. Let's say this is 0. Let's say this is 0.1, negative 0.1, negative 0.2, negative 0.3, and so on. And let's say this is negative 0.7. So negative 0.7 is here, and this one is negative 0.07. So this is 0.1. So 0.07 will be somewhere here. So that means 0.7 is less than 0.07. So that means negative 0.07 is greater than negative 0.7, and this is the correct answer. So whenever you see decimals like this and you are not sure of the placement, draw your number line, place them on the number line. Mind you, once there is negative, the bigger number will be less once it has negative. So that is that for that. Now, which list shows the values ordered from least to greatest? So now you can use your calculator to find the value of 38 over 5, find the value of root 61, the value of 745%, and then arrange them from least to greatest. So now the next one, which list shows the numbers in order from greatest value to least? So find the value of 39 over 8 and find the value of root 24 and arrange them from greatest to least. Now, which numbers have a value greater than pi? What is the value of pi? The value of pi is 22 over 7 and 22 over 7, and we also approximate it to be 3.14. So this is an approximate value of pi. So this is not greater than pi. That's an approximate value of pi. Root 3 will give 3. Root 3 will give 3. So this is not greater than pi. Root 10 will give, what is that? Root 10 will give 3.16. So this is greater than 3.14. Then what is 8 divided by 3? 8 divided by 3 will give 2.66. So this is not greater than pi. So then 23 divided by 7 will give 3.28. This is also greater than pi because this is the approximate value of pi, 3.14, and these two are greater than 3.14. So now the next one, Which value of x make the inequality true? Select three correct answers. And it says x is greater than 28 over 5. What is 28 over 5? 28 over 5 is 5.6. So x must be greater than 5.6. Minus 8 is not greater than 5.6. So this is wrong. 4.7 is not greater than 5.6. So this is wrong. 5.28 is not greater than 5.6. So this is wrong. So I am assuming the other three are correct. So let's find root 34. Root 34 is 5.83. So this is greater than 5.6. Then 19 divided by 3 is 6.33. This is greater. Then 2 times root 11. Root 11 times 2 is 6.633. So this is also greater than x. X is greater than, this is greater than 5.6. So now a list of numbers ordered from least value to greatest value is shown. One number is missing. So you change this to decimal, change this to decimal, change every other thing here to decimal, and find which one is greater than this. It is arranged from least to greatest. So that number must be greater than this, but it must be less than this. It must be greater than this, but it must be less than this. So first change everything to decimal for it to be easier for you to find the answer. So now, which list shows the numbers in order from least to greatest? Change everything together and arrange them. Change everything to decimal and arrange them. Now, let's take a look at this one. It says the map shows 5 proposed routes and distances from a new state highway between Camden and US Highway 99. Proposed route for US. Let's see the option. So it now says which list shows these distances from least to greatest. It's just the same thing. We have to find them from least to greatest. So let's first do 675 divided by 16. 675 divided by 16 gives 42.1875, and this one is 40. Now let's find root 2.111. This one is 1.4529. Now let's find 586 divided by 13. 586 divided by 13 is 45. Okay, sorry, this is 2000. That second one is 2000. Is not 2 point, it's 2000. But let's first try this one now. 45 points. So don't make the mistake that I made. Be careful. So that is root 2111. So that is 45.945. And this one is root 17 times 10. This one will be 41.2310. So we have to arrange them from least to greatest. So which one is the smallest? This will be number 1. This will be number 1. 42 will be number 2. 45.0 will be number 3. And 45.9 will be number 4. So now let's see which one is number 1. 10 root 7. So the answer cannot be this, cannot be this, cannot be this, because the first one is 10 root 7. Then the next one is 10 root 17. Did I press 10 root 17? Sorry, let's find out. Root 17 times 10, 41. Yes, okay. The first, from least to greatest, the first one is 10 root 17. The second one is 40. Sorry, I've omitted this one. This is number 2. So this will be number 3. They are 5. This will be number 3. This will be number 4. And this will be number 5. They are 5. I omitted this one. So this will be number 1. Yes, number 2 is 40. 586 divided by 13 is number 3. 567 over, what am I doing? And root 211 is okay. So I think there is a 586. Let's see. 586 divided by 13 is 45.07. 675 divided by 16 is 42.17. So I don't know. 10. This is number 1. Obviously, this is number 1. This is number 1. This is, sorry, because I omitted the 40. Now I see it. I omitted the 40. Oh, I'm not supposed to clean them. I omitted the 40 while numbering them. So 40 is supposed to be number one. That's the list. So 40 is number one. This is number one. Then 41 points, this will be number two. 42 points is number three. 45.07 is number four, and 45.95 is number five. So now let's take a look at the options again. So which one is number one? Number one is 40. So the answer is not A and the answer is not B. The answer is either B or D. So don't make the mistake. Because I calculated all these ones, I did not write 40 out. I omitted it while writing the answers out here. So don't make the same mistake. So the next one, number two, will be 10 root 17. So that means it is not D. So number two will be 10 root 17. Number three will be 675 over 16. Number four will be 586 over 13. And number five will be root 2111. And that is how to get it. Be careful and don't omit anything. So now the table shows the diagonal length of TV screens at a store. Which TV screen has the smallest diagonal? So just as we did here, calculate these ones, put everything in decimal, and choose the one with the smallest diagonal. So now, which list shows these numbers in order from least to greatest? So calculate everything in decimal, convert everything to decimal, and don't forget this one has negative, this one has negative. So pay attention to the negative signs and choose the answer. And this one, the table shows the completion times of four runners in a race. Which list shows the runner in order by their completion times from fastest to slowest? From fastest to slowest. So let's solve this one. 12 and half. 12 and half. Let's calculate 12 and half. 12 and half. That will be 12.5. This one is 12.09. This one will be 5 times 12 plus 2, 66, 120, sorry, 5 times 12 plus 2, that's 62 divided by 5. This one will be 12.4 and this one is 12.8. So foreigners, this one, Joe's race time is 12.5 seconds. Ellen's race time is 12.09 seconds. Steve's race time is 12.4 seconds, and Pat's race time was 12.8 seconds. So now, when we're talking about fastest to slowest, now when it comes to a race, you know that the fastest person will have the smallest time. That is where this one becomes tricky. That's what makes this one tricky. If you arrange it and you say if you say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, I mean 3, 4, and you arrange it like this, you will get a wrong answer. Because when it comes to race, the person with the smallest this least seconds is the fastest runner. Okay, yeah, it is correct. I'm still saying the same thing. The person with the smallest seconds, this person that spends the smallest seconds is the fastest runner. Yeah, it is from fastest to slowest. So that means we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that will be Ellen. It's not Patty. So that will be Ellen. Number 2 is Steve, Joe, and then Patty. So that will be number C. So the person that took had the smallest seconds is the fastest, and the person that has the biggest seconds is the slowest runner. So now let's move to the next question. This one says the diagonal lengths of 3 rectangles are shown. The rectangles are not drawn to scale. Okay. Which list shows the rectangle in order by their diagonal length from shortest to least? All you have to do is to convert these ones to decimal and then arrange them in order from shortest to longest. So always convert to decimal. That way it will be easier for you to know which one is the smallest and which one is the longest. So 4 plumbers estimated the length of the radius of a cylindrical pipe. The estimates made by the plumbers are listed. So which list shows the length in order from greatest to least? So convert everything to decimal and arrange them from greatest to least. From greatest to least. So the next one, which list shows these numbers in order from least to greatest? So from least to greatest, so just find, mind you, this is a repeating decimal. When you see something like this, minus 5.17 bar, this means that this will be minus 5.117, that's what it means. So convert every other thing and arrange from least to greatest. Now to the next question. Two numbers are shown on the number line. Which value is not located between these two numbers on the number line? Which value is not located? So let's find root 9. Root 9 is 3. So 3 divided by 3, that will be 1. So the value of this one is 1. Then 2 pi. 2 pi. What is pi? 2 pi. Sorry, 2 pi. 2 pi is 6.28. Let's leave it at that. So which value is not located between these two numbers? Pi is 3.14. This one is 3. Pi over 9. What is pi over 9? Pi over 9 is 0.349. Okay. Pi square. Pi square. Pi square over 9 is 1.096. So the question is now saying which one is not located between them. So this is 1, this is 6 point something. So 3 is located between them. 3.14 is located between them. 3 is located between them. 1.096 is located between them. So this is the one that is not located between them, because 0.39 will be somewhere here. That will be somewhere here. So to the next question. The next question says 4 students are each trying to raise the same amount of money for a class trip. The table below shows how much of each student's goal has been met. Which list shows the number in the table in order from least to greatest? So 65% is the same thing as 65 over 100. So convert everything to decimal and arrange them from least to greatest. The next one, which list shows the numbers below in order from least to greatest? You know how to do this now. So convert to decimal and arrange everything from least to greatest. And lastly, okay, not lastly, an inequality is shown. Which value of x makes the inequality true? So let's see, what is 1 over 8? 1 over 8 is 0.125. And what is 18%? 18% is 18 divided by 100, and that is 0.18. So the question is now asking us x, which one makes the inequality true? So what is 1 over 5? 1 over 5 is 0.2. And what is root 0.02? This one will be 0.1414. So x must be greater than 0.12 and must be less than 0.18. So this is not it. This one 0.12, this is not it. This one is greater than 0.18. 0.09 is not even it at all. 0.09, we have 0.1, 0.1. So 0.14 is greater than 0.12 and it is less than 0.18. So D is the correct option. And lastly, the areas of 3 circles are shown. The areas of 3 circles are shown: circle X, circle Y, and circle X. They are not drawn to scale. Which list shows the circles in order from greatest area to least area? So the area of this one is 9 pi. Calculate 9 pi. Calculate root 3 over 2. Calculate 27.5. This one has been calculated. And arrange them from greatest to least. And that will be all for this video. See you in the next one.